This is Sean Smith with Junksmiths. We're here in Huntington Beach doing a multiple load clean out. We do anything from a single item to complete cleanouts. Give us a call, 714-369-8886. It's a beautiful day in Huntington Beach. Got all the e-waste to the side, the metal, we try to keep that separate. Got the guys separating the metal and the e-waste for recycling. We'll try to donate some of the tables and stuff if they're halfway decent. Try to impact the landfill as little as possible.